In this video, I'll share with you the Montessori sensorial activity using the smooth and rough boards. Hi, my name is Lorraine of Intentional Homeschooler, helping intentional parents begin their homeschooling journey. In this channel, we do product reviews, sometimes a day in the life videos, and homeschooling tips, just like this. So if you are new here, hello, welcome, and consider hitting the subscribe button. Children uses their senses from sight to taste to touch. They use all their five senses in their environment, and anything that comes to their senses goes directly to their brain. So the importance of the sensorial activity in the Montessori education is that it allows the child to distinguish order and grading of their environment, and it prepares them for the math and language areas. This activity is very simple and it's so easy to prepare using the things that you already have. But in the Montessori classroom, they use this sensorial material called the touch board. But today in this video, I'll be using my DIY touch board using the sandpaper cutouts. So in this video, we will be showing you the 3-phase lesson for the smooth and rough activity. This is smooth. This is rough. You want to try?
Yes. This is smooth.
That's rough.
Yes.
Can you show me smooth?
Smooth.
Can you show me rough?
Rough.
What is this?
Smooth.
What is this?
Rough.
The next day, if they're ready to explore more about the sensorial activity using the rough and smooth cards, you'll need 4 cards. So you need smooth, rough, rougher, and roughest. This gives them the idea of the gradual increasing texture using the fingers. This is smooth. This is rough. This is rougher. This is roughest. You want to try?
Yes.
Smooth.
Smooth. Rougher.
Rough.
Rougher.
Rougher.
Roughest.
Roughest. Okay. Smooth.
Smooth.
Rough.
Rough.
Rougher. Roughest. Can you show me smooth?
Smooth.
Can you show me rough?
Rough.
Can you show me rougher?
Rougher.
Can you show me roughest?
Roughest.
What is this?
Smooth.
What is this?
Rough.
What is this?
Rougher.
What is this?
Roughest.
So for the final phase of this lesson, you'll be needing 2 sets of cards. You need 2 smooth cards, 2 rough cards, 2 rougher cards, and 2 roughest cards. So in this lesson, I suggest that you use blindfold because they can actually match the cards visually. So in order for us to isolate the sense of touch or to focus on the sense of touch, we have to blindfold them. You have to wear blindfold. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. So you're gonna match it, okay?
Okay.
Come here. You sit beside me.
Okay.
So this is smooth.
Smooth.
This is rough.
Rough.
This is rougher.
Rougher.
And this is roughest.
Roughest.
Okay. So now we're going to match, okay?
Okay.
So, okay. Is this one?
No.
Is this one?
No.
Is this one?
Yes.
Yes. Is this one?
No.
No. Is this one?
No.
Okay. Is this one?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. This is the next one, okay?
Okay.
Is this one?
No.
No. Is this one?
Yes.
Yes. Is this one?
No. Yes.
Yes. You check if it's correct.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, you can remove. There. Is it correct?
Yes.
Show. So that is one of the sensorial activities in the Montessori education. I'll be sharing links in the description, some of my recommended sensorial materials that you can use for this activity. So if this video has helped you, share it with your friends and hit the like button. Before we end, my question for you is, what activities do you want to see in the future videos? Share it in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.